জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Deepu asked me to pretend to be so sick that I need to be hospitalized. But I don't understand why I have to go to the hospital.
Hey, any update? Vicky, I need to get the work done today.
Don't even ask, Sanjukta. It'll surely be done. But I don't know when. The lawyer went in and has not come back yet. Who knows what he's doing in there?
I can't remember who Animesh Mitra is.
Who is calling you, Tapabrata?
Hello?
Mr. Topabrato, how are you now?
Better. Whom I'm speaking to?
This is Advocate Animesh Mitra speaking. Do you remember that we met at Home Minister's party?
Oh, yes. I have your number saved on my phone, but I was unable to recall it. You see, I'm getting old, so I forgot. Please don't mind.
No. That's not a big deal. You're not well. And how can I say that you forgot completely? You tell me? Besides, if you had forgotten me, would you have sent your folks to me to get your will made?
What did you say?
What's the hurry, Jasmine? Where are you going?
She came when I'm about to leave. Move aside. I have some work to do.
Breakfast.
I won't have it.
Where is Jasmine rushing? Wasn't she smiling alone? Is she planning to destroy the evidence?
Move away.
You are not supposed to go out like this, Jasmine.
What do you mean?
I mean, you cannot leave the house without Nayan's permission.
What? Will I have to take Nayan's permission to go out? Isn't it a bit too much? Unless who is speaking? You can't even stand straight. Oh, now I get it. You drink alcohol instead of tea in the morning, right? Anyway, I'm not bound to listen to you.
Yes, you are. If not me, you are bound to listen to Nayan. I hope you understand that if she grows suspicion, she will call the police this time. Exactly the way you call them? You will only go out if Nayan permits you. Sit down. Go and sit down. Keep quiet and have breakfast. I'll go and look for Nayan.
Ma'am, your breakfast.
Get out of here! Go away! I won't eat. I won't eat anything. Anything.
No. You do not worry at all. I will get the will transferred to your wife's name. I will send it through your folks only.
What are you even saying? I just can't get it.
Why? Didn't you ask to get a will in your wife's name, Sanjukta Basu, Mr. Tapabrata?
Who told you about this?
Why? Your brother-in-law Vivek. He has come to my office.
Are you sure?
Of course. Because we asked for identity proof to fix an appointment. I don't take appointments very easily. This name was written in the list of names that I have today. Besides, he also said that his brother-in-law, that is you, are bedridden. He said that you want to make a will to transfer all your properties in his sister's name, which is Sanjukta Basu.
Who has called? Why is Tapabrata's expression changing? What is it? Why did you drop your phone?
Hello?
Seems like someone is talking on the other side. Shall I talk to them? What happened? Why are you getting up? You need rest now. Don't get up like this, Tapabrata. Tapabrata? What happened? What is it? Why are you staring at me like this? Tell me. Will you tell me what happened? Are you... Hey, why are you acting like this? What happened?
At last you did it. You traitor! You want to deprive Deepu?
Oh Lord, did Tapabrata get to know about my plan? Why did he call me a traitor? Why did he say that Did he learn that I want to cheat Deepu and transfer all the properties to my name? Last call. Animesh Mitra. Who is this Animesh Mitra? Sounds familiar. Isn't he the advocate that Vicky and Piku went to? His business card was titled Mitra, but what was the name? Oh Lord, Vicky has the card. Answer the phone, Vicky. Hello. Hey, just listen to me. Don't talk. The advocate you're seeing, what's his name and contact
Dad,
number?
how are you? Dad! Dad, what's wrong with you? Dad, get up, please. Dad, please get up. Dad!
Jeet? What?
What is this?
Dad?
Brother!
Dad!
What happened?
Dad, please get up. Mom, what's wrong with you?
Oh no. Did father really? Jeet, bring some water.
Yes, yes.
Bring water,
I'll
please.
get it.
How did this happen? Brother, please open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Someone,
Dad!
someone get water, please.
Open your eyes, please. Open your
Dad.
eyes. Open your eyes.
Please get up.
Dad!
Dripto, what should we do? Dad is still senseless. I don't understand anything. He's not coming around, Dripto.
You do one thing, hold Dad, let him lay on the bed.
Yes, yes.
Come on.
Brother,
Yes.
Come on.
Dad,
be careful.
come.
Move aside. Let me go.
Dad,
Brother. No, I don't understand this. Brother was lying on the bed. How did he fall to the ground?
That means Dad started his acting. Nan, you don't get scared. Dad is pretending to be sick according to you.
What?
Yeah, he's just acting.
Yes, it must be that. Try to move him to the hospital quickly, sir. Hurry up.
But Jeet, I can't take any risk. Dad needs to be hospitalized.
Yes.
I shall call the ambulance.
yes.
How would I get his signature if he's transferred to the hospital? No, Deepu. Do not move him in this condition. I'm telling you, it would be a risk. Call the doctor who's treating him.
Quiet. Keep quiet, Mom. And do not say a word.
What is this? Why are you talking to your mother like this? Can't you see how scared she is? And is this the way you should treat her?
I have done the correct thing. I have behaved all my life. She doesn't deserve respect anymore.
Jeet.
No. Before raising your voice, tell me, why didn't you call any of us to see Dad in this condition? You saw him first, am I right, Mom? Why would you call us, Mom? You were busy on the call.
Call?
Yes. Call. She was busy with the phone. Tell me how important the call was that you were so busy with it even after seeing Dad in this condition. And now don't tell me that you didn't see him. Because everyone can see you're holding phone in both the hands.
What happened, Sanjukta? Why are you silent? Answer him. Didn't you volunteer to take care of him?
What care did you give that he is in this condition now?
Oh no. Everyone is accusing Mom for nothing.
Sir, do not get into this at the moment. It's more important to take father to the hospital right now. You go and arrange that quickly.
Tapo, don't stay like this, son. Get up, son. Get up, and don't torture me anymore.
Sanjukta, your silence won't do. You will have to answer. Since you volunteered his responsibility, you are answerable. Tell us, how did this happen to brother in your presence?
Jeet goofed up everything. Pratima is almost accusing me. I have to do something. Look, Mom. Did you see how they are attacking me? As if I am responsible for this condition of Tapaprata. Did I do it deliberately? I was calling the doctor so that... How dare you snatch my phone from me? Give me my phone
Please.
back.
Wonderful. Wonderful, Mom.
Since when did uncle become a doctor?
What? What are you saying, Jeet?
What am I saying? Call log. Check the last call from the call log. It's Uncle Vicky. Mom's last call is to Uncle Vicky. When Dad was lying flat on his face, Mom was chatting with Uncle Vicky.
What had just happened? Was Mother Sanjukta talking to Uncle Vicky, leaving father in such a condition? Why? What was so urgent that she had to talk to him right at that moment?
Shame on you, Mom. How could you say such a big lie? You were chatting with Uncle Vicky but lied so easily that you were calling the doctor. And Durba, don't you justify every word and action of Mom? How will you justify this? Exactly. You have to say quite like this. Because what Mom has done is an offense. You cannot justify that.
I saw for myself that Mom was not at all worried about Dad.
When Dad was lying on his face, Mom was talking over the phone. And when I shouted, Mom got startled. Wasn't it necessary to call us? After seeing Dad in this condition? Tell me, wasn't it?
Sanjukta, is it true that you were talking to Vivek, leaving my son in this condition?
Come. This way, please. Jeet, help.
Yes.
Come here, please. Yeah. Easy. Slowly. Carefully.
Yes.
Easy.
Thank Lord, father acted really well. No one doubted a bit. Anyway, I need to move to the hospital now.
Nayan, they are taking Topo away. Save him and return him to me. I am not your grandmother right now. I'm I am begging for my son's life to you as a mother. Save him and return him to me. Promise me. Promise me, Nayan. I am giving you the responsibility of my son's life. You have to do this duty.
Yes, this is the ideal situation to go out of this house. Everyone is busy with Mr. Basu. No one will think about me. This is the chance I should take the box of poison out of this house.